Hello everyone, I'm Rahul Chugh. Today we are exploring how organizations can accelerate their digital transformation journey. Joining us is Justin Withrow from Trianz, who brings deep expertise in enterprise transformations. Welcome, Justin.
Thank you, Rahul. Great to be here.
Let's start with Trianz. Tell us about your journey and what makes you unique in this space.
Well, Rahul, Trianz was born in Silicon Valley, and for the last 2 decades, we've been helping enterprises transform digitally. While we work across the cloud, data and AI, security, and digital experiences. What truly sets us apart is our holistic approach and platforms. We don't just implement technology, we help organizations reimagine their entire business model.
Right. And I understand you have made a significant pivot recently around accelerating digital transformation, right?
Yes, we've identified 3 critical challenges organizations face today. First, they're racing against time as competitors constantly change the game. Second, there's a severe shortage of digital talent. And third, many transformation initiatives simply don't deliver the expected ROI. To address these challenges, we've developed 2 game-changing platforms on AWS. Concierto, our cloud platform, which customers migrate 200% faster with lower costs. And then there's Avrio, our data to AI platform, which helps organizations implement AI solutions twice as fast as traditional approaches. Rahul, let's look at a digital transformation value map. We start with a foundation layer, which Concierto provides. Concierto accelerates migrations and modernizations and hybrid cloud management and sets up an enterprise to build and grow. Then we work with our enablement layer from Avrio, which provides data analytics and conversational and decision AI. And that leads to business outcomes like a reimagined business, true competitive advantage, and accelerated innovation.
What are the key trends you're seeing in 2024?
While Gen AI dominates headlines, there's another major shift happening, and that's driven mostly from Broadcom's acquisition of VMware. There's been what we've called like a forced moment of reflection for most organizations. We're seeing this play out in interesting ways. IT leaders who were previously content with simple lift and shift strategies are now exploring modernization pathways. They're accelerating containerization initiatives and using EKS and ECS and showing increased interest in AWS's native services. The most interesting part, though, companies aren't just looking for VMware replacements. They're asking deeper questions like how to become more agile, how to gain more competitive edge, and how to modernize my entire application portfolio. But what really sets our approach apart is viewing cloud as an innovation ecosystem. We're creating continuous innovation loops where ideas go from concept to production in days, building APIs for better collaboration, and establishing platforms for rapid experimentation. This is crucial, and we've developed what we call our total value framework. Think of it as 3 pillars that secure buy-in across the organization. The first pillar, outcomes, goes way beyond traditional ROI calculations, looking for technical benefits, business impact, operational gains, and risk mitigation. The second pillar leverages creative financing through AWS funding programs and phased approaches that make every project nearly cost neutral. The third pillar addresses double bubble cost concerns through unique transition models, including hardware buyback programs and staged migrations that minimize parallel running cost. This comprehensive approach helps secure buy-in not just from IT, but from finance, operations, and executive leadership. We're not just making a technical case for cloud, we're building a business transformation narrative backed by concrete financial benefits.
Let's talk about building a business case, especially for organization heavily invested in on-premise infrastructure. Can you walk us through a real-world example of a complex transformation project that Trianz has delivered?
Absolutely. Let me share a fascinating case study with a major healthcare technology company undergoing a corporate divestiture. This project really showcases how we can handle high-stakes transformations with tight deadlines. The challenge was multifaceted. They needed to establish independent IT infrastructure, migrate out of their parent company's cloud environments, and meet strict transition deadlines to avoid penalties. We tackled this using our Discovery 360 methodology. First, we mapped out detailed move groups and wave plans. Then, using our Concierto platform, We monitored everything in real time and automated much of the migration process. The results were remarkable. We migrated 4,000 workloads 50% faster than traditional approaches. We cut costs by 40%, and we reduced customer onboarding time by 75%. Most importantly, above everything else, we met every deadline and avoided those costly penalties.
Oh, that's very impressive. So, how do you manage business continuity with such large-scale migrations?
We use what we call progressive modernization. It's about balancing technical excellence and organizational readiness. On the technical side, we start with comprehensive domain mapping, understanding how different business functions work together, and we build reusable components and create patterns that speed up future modernization efforts. But equally important is our change management framework. We identify key stakeholders, create targeted communication plans, and establish cloud centers of excellence. We believe strongly in measuring progress through clear KPIs and regular dashboard reviews. Remember, success isn't just about transforming systems. It's about transforming how people work. That's why we focus heavily on bringing everyone along for the journey.
Thank you, Justin. This has been incredibly insightful. Any final thoughts for organization embarking on their transformation journey?
The key is to think big but start smart. Digital transformation isn't just about technology, it's about reimagining what's possible for your business. With the right approach and partners and technology, you can accelerate that journey while minimizing risk and maximizing value. Thank you very much, and if you're interested in contacting Trianz, please reach out to aws@trianz.com.